Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Panasonic GH5, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up focus transition on this device. So firstly we need to find it in settings. To do that we need to open settings, then find videos manual and scroll down, and here you see focus transition. So click on it, and here inside we have a lot of settings, as you can see, and now I will try to explain you all I know about it. So what about start? So here, this setting allow you to choose when the focus transition starts. So you can see to half press, for example, when you pressing it not too much, this button. So here we have the button. When transition starts, for example, you can set it to half press to start when you half press the shutter button, or full press to start when you fully press the shutter button, for example. So what about focus pull setting? So here we have pause 1, pause 2 and pause 3, and we can set it. So this setting allow you to save up to 3 focus position. Of course, I suggest to use it only when you use a stative for the camera, and when your camera always in one position. Okay, so because when you're walking with the camera and recording something, so maybe it's not a good idea to set up the focus pull settings. Okay, focus transition speed. So this setting controls how quickly the camera transition between focus position. For example, here we have several options: SH, H, M, L and SL. So in SH, SH is the fastest speed, it's all you need to know. H it's high, M it's medium, L is slow, and SL it's very slow. Maybe it's just slow. So L it's low, but SL it's slow. So this is the slowest speed you can use, of course. Okay, so focus transition rec. So it's like the same situation with the positions, so you can record the positions for transition, and that's it. So focus transition weight. So this is the same thing. So you can, for example, enable the feature to waiting. So this is the wait time. After this time, the focus transition will start. So, and that's it. So thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.